When it's a cold, wet, rainy day and everyone wants to get out of the house, what do? We opted to go to the Florida Children's Museum in Lakeland, Florida. Situated within Bonnet Springs Park, the Florida Children's Museum features 2 floors of interactive exhibits, including Design Park, watermelon seeds, city play, and an outdoor area with a 100-foot-long climbable alligator named Blinky. Design Park is an interactive STEM exhibit designed to spark creativity and problem-solving in children, particularly those aged 6 to 12. Located on the first floor of the museum, this vibrant space encourages kids to design, build, test, and refine their creations through hands-on activities that emphasize collaboration and innovation. This is a great place for kids to use their imagination to design something and then test it and see if it works. Watermelon Seeds is a vibrant, fruit-themed exhibit designed specifically for children aged 0 to 6. This engaging space allows young visitors to explore and grow alongside the life cycle of a watermelon, offering a variety of hands-on activities that promote sensory exploration, motor skills development, and imaginative play. Key features of this exhibit include a large climbing structure that mimics a watermelon plant, while children can ascend from the roots and vines to a slide shaped like a watermelon slice.
Good job.
There's also a pretend watermelon truck where kids can wash and load ball-shaped watermelons, teaching them about food origins and transportation.
Wash it. Right, and then sort it.
For the youngest visitors, the Seed Pod offers a safe, padded area with sensory toys and seating for caregivers, ensuring an inclusive environment for babies and toddlers.
Baby, we're friendly.
Yeah? Want to pull some teeth?
Dentist daddy at work again.
You already got 2 missing. One. Maybe we can pull another one. This is a saw. It goes zwoopa, zwoopa, zwoopa.
Good job. Okay, I'm gonna jump in.
There it is. Open up. Let's go. Come push this button. Number 2. Number 2, push it. Push, push, push. Doors opening. There we go. There they come.
The entire upstairs is City Play, an immersive, kid-sized community designed to inspire imaginative role play and real-world learning. This interactive exhibit invites children to step into various roles, such as firefighter, grocery store clerk, or even pizza chef, within a miniature town setting. They can shop at a Publix, bake pizzas at J. Burns Pizza, and explore other community roles, fostering creativity, social interaction, and an understanding of everyday professions.
Together. Doesn't really have a scanner, does it? Beep. 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 Wow, you got a lot.
There's a little house over there.
Yeah?
It's where you put your iron.
Oh. Now you got a full carton of groceries there, Benny. Mustard and ketchup, good job. This is what I would be going for right here, man. Porterhouse. Maybe New York strip. Got eggs.
It's just like that home.
All the chickens. Oh, look at the piggies. And piggies. Look, there's eggs in there. It's like at home, huh? Yeah. Like home, that's right. Oh, yeah, you can buy clothes here. All the boots you could want. They even have, you can add stuff. Follow the road.
It's like a legit food truck. It
Yeah.
is so cool.
What would you like to order?
Oh, can I have grape juice and ice?
Yeah.
Oh, and can I have a Hawaiian pizza, please? Oh my goodness, thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Welcome.
Oh, go give that to mommy. Washing hands, that's good. Good job. Look, did you see this? This is a real screen.
Okay.
So you can tell how much mommy owes. First we clear it. So what did she get? Meat, small, large. There's, oh, a Meatzilla pizza. So you hit the green button. See, that added that. Now, look, there's a drink. So she had a drink, right? So you add the drink.
Yeah, she got
A fountain drink, right?
a great
So you add that
job.
green button.
This one?
Yep. Okay, is that what she got? And then you hit the purple button up there and you tell her, 24.45, please.
24.45.
Another one here. Hey, there's a, what's the matter, baby? He's falling.
He fell.
You drive the fire truck then?
Drive it. What a show. I'm coming.
Oh,
I know, what's your Benjamin, there's an emergency.
are you ready to fight a fire?
Yes.
Drive to the fire.
Oh no, there's a fire. Get on the pace. Let's get a fire. Get on the pace. Daddy.
All right, you're live. No, wait. Hold on. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go for it.
Okay, so today's weather is gonna be tornado at California. And then over here, it's gonna be really cloudy, and over here, that's how Florida's gonna be, because it's so rainy. That'll be the end of it. And 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye!
Hit it, Ben. Good job. Wow, you can't spend too much time in here. It is
No,
loud
no.
in here. Look what you're doing. The air from that, the air from your drum is going all the way over to those streamers. Hit it hard.
Harder?
Look at that. You're blowing them. All right, which boat's gonna go faster? Triangle works good.
Thanks for coming along with us to the Florida Children's Museum. If you're loving the ride and all the full-time RV adventures, make sure to subscribe. It helps us keep rolling and sharing the journey. One campsite, one memory, and 1 mile at a time.
There it
Thanks for
goes.
tagging along, and we'll see you on the next adventure.